Do you know the story of the most terrifying tiger in history? A beast that claimed over 400 human lives? In the early 1900s, a tiger appeared in Nepal, and it hunted only humans. At first, there were just a few victims, but the tiger quickly learned their habits. During the day, villagers would venture into the forest to gather firewood, and the tiger would suddenly leap out, snatching its next victim. Week after week, bodies piled up. Fear spread, and people stopped going out alone. After around 200 deaths, the army tried to hunt the predator, but it slipped across the border into India. There, the nightmare continued. Another 200 people lost their lives. A few years later, the legendary hunter Jim Corbett finally lured the monster using a human corpse and shot it. The toll was staggering: 436 lives lost.